Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 11 of Road to Fund. I'm pretty sure it's day 11 of Road to Fund It. Day 11 of Road to Fund It, and I did not take any trades today. No trades for me at all. I did not like anything. Nothing really popped out at me, and I feel like that was great. That was great. My main focus going into the week is staying disciplined and not forcing a trade, because all my losses that I have taken within the past 2 weeks have come from me forcing something and trying to get something a little bit too early. And today there was an opportunity that I was really thinking about and considering of taking, but I decided to stay patient. I decided to wait for a later possible entry with more confirmation. That's exactly what I did. I stayed true to my rules, which is what I really like. I didn't indulge in anything. I stayed patient, and that's why I feel like today was such a good day for me. Even though I took no trades today. But today, a day when you take no trades, a day when you come to the market and I take no trades, that is much better than me taking a trade just to take a trade. I would much rather take no trades, stay disciplined, build that conviction, show myself that I'm disciplined, show myself that I can be a good, profitable trader, than just to try to rush in the market, just try to make money, just try to make a buck off of something. So 4/17, no trades for your boy. And I'm not going to go very much in depth of why that. If you guys want to know more about that, pull up to my chart review or watch my chart review. I do chart reviews every single day. So if you guys want to learn more about that, definitely recommend chart reviews. But basically, I had a bullish bias going into open, and I didn't see anything that supported my bias. I guess you could say I was kind of married to my bias. I didn't really change my bias. I didn't really switch up my bias. We sold off today. I'll just show up the market just to show you guys if you guys don't know for context. But basically, we sold off today. I had a bullish bias. We sold off today, and I didn't really see too much opportunity to take advantage of this. In my personal opinion, there was kind of one entry up here that I liked, and then anything else I didn't see any high quality opportunity. There wasn't really any high quality opportunity within my opinion. So therefore, I'm not going to trade it, and I really like that I stayed disciplined and I stayed patient today. I was able to stay disciplined. I was able to stay patient. There was a time in which I really thought about entering. I was thinking about entering along, but I decided to wait and stay patient and just wait for more confirmation. Just wait for more confirmation. That is what I need to do. Just wait for more confirmation. The best entry, the entry to catch the most points is not always going to be the best entry, because it's going to be that low risk entry that sometimes will just get you caught up if you try to take it. And I'm very happy that I stayed disciplined, I stayed patient to myself as a trader, which is why I think that today was a good day in my opinion. I don't think I was too married to the bias. I just don't think that there was much opportunity for trades today. I feel like there was that initial short, and then after that, I feel like opportunity just wasn't really there in my opinion in how I trade. And that's what I love to see, is the fact that I can come into the market and I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for coming to the market, and therefore anything else is just not what I'm looking for. So I know what I'm looking for. If it's not what I'm looking for, I'm not going to trade it. And I know what I was looking for today. I was looking for a market maker buy model, and we didn't get that today, so I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to force it. You could say I was married to my bias, but I just don't think that there was a need, and I really think that I played today accordingly. And like I was saying, any day that I can come into the market, break even, not even losing $1, not even losing more so my conviction, to not worsen my conviction, that is a good day. If I'm able to say, hey, we didn't really take a trade today, that's good. I want to be able to get onto that level, and I'm glad that I'm able to be on that level. What to focus on in the future? Stay disciplined. This is just a day. This is just a blip in my career. Just because I stayed disciplined today, just because I didn't press a button today, just because I didn't trade today, does not mean that in the future I might over risk, over leverage. I might come to the market one day with a bad mindset, with a bad mentality, and therefore dig a hole for myself because I'm not disciplined for one day. One day is one day. One day does not mean anything, and one day is also always a time and opportunity in which I can come in and possibly ruin everything that I'm building. So stay disciplined and keep on building what I'm building is what I'm focused on. Define what I'm looking for 100%. I'm looking for a market maker buy or sell model. That's all I'm looking for. If it's not that, well, that is the market. But other than that, I need to redefine and define more of what I'm looking for. I now know what I'm looking for. So therefore, I'm not going to take anything else what I'm looking for. I didn't see what I was looking for. So therefore, I'm not going to take it. Keep sharpening my blade, show up every single day, and build that conviction. Every single day is a new day. Every single day is a fresh day. That day is where you can blow up. That day is when you can explode. This is not going to be that day. I'm going to tell myself I'm going to wake up. This is not going to be the day when I blow up. This is not the day when I over risk. This is not going to be the day when I over leverage. This is not the day when I'm going to ruin my conviction because I'm going to enforce good habits and I'm going to become a better trader regardless today. I do not care about my P&L at the end of the day. I don't. I don't care if I was green or red on the day. I don't. Did I follow my rules? Was I disciplined? And did I follow the plan? Did I come in the day with a plan? Was my bias just wrong? Okay, today my bias was just wrong. My bias was wrong. Had my bias been bearish, I might have seen something. But my bias was wrong, and I didn't execute off of it. And anytime I come in the market, this is then when I can come into the market. And then in the chart review, we can say, hey, what could we have done a little bit better today? What could I have done a little bit better? Is there anything I could have done? I don't really think so. I feel like today I played it very well, and that's what I'm proud of. I can look back at the end of the day and I can say, hey, we stay disciplined. I'm proud of that. Let's go in the market tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a fresh new day. So therefore, there will be different opportunities tomorrow. So let's see how we go. And then like I've been saying, one day is just a blip of my career, and that's all I really have. I don't really have a lot to talk about because I really did not trade today. I did not trade. And I'll pull up the funded account just so y'all can see the fact that we're still on that 666. I don't know if I showed this yesterday, but basically yesterday I accidentally placed a trade, or like a trade got placed and I didn't notice it, and then I came back to the markets after a run, and then that trade was actually up. I think I talked about it yesterday. I don't know if I did. I feel like I didn't. But yeah, that's what the account balance is looking like on the funded. So this is what I'm saying. I hope to make a small description on every entry. Yeah, that's what I do. Every single entry, every single possible entry. If you guys look at my Discord, this is what I would highly recommend, and this has helped me so much. Every single day, I have a price action review where I go into the market and I give what I saw on price action. I give my thoughts and my opinions. I mark up and I annotate literally every single possible entry that I could have taken. I didn't take a trade. I didn't take a trade at all today. But I still went back in and I annotated what I could have possibly traded, what I could have possibly seen. So this is what I think will really help you as a trader. If you go back in the market and just see, hey, what could I possibly trade? And maybe like you don't have to annotate it. Maybe you just look at what price did, and maybe you just journal it. But I find that this has helped me a lot, just annotating over the chart, posting my Discord. So now I can go back and I can look back on it. I haven't been doing this for too long. I have it mostly in chart annotations today, and this is what I like to see. This is what I like to see in my Discord. People doing like this, giving their chart annotations. So I don't really have much else for you guys today, or much for Road to Funded because I didn't really trade. But we'll be back later. Chart review will be